Okay, I'm just going to keep coming. So I've got this 1/4 inch line here, and that's what I'm going to end up using. I know I'm going to need one right here. I'm going to cut that right there. Put my bubbler on there. My inline bubbler. That way I can keep putting more on this same line. Okay, yeah, you can do that. See, this has been in the garage for so long. What I should have done was taken it out in the sun today and let it heat up and then straighten it out a little bit. But I didn't. Oh well. Okay, now I can hold it there. I guess I'll put another bubbler right there. This on there. See, in a perfect world, all these pipes would be straight, you know, but they're curled. So if you don't want it curled that way, just take this and twist it and curl it the way you want it to curl. And then, like I say, we may have to put it down into the dirt right there when I get ready for that. Okay. But in the meanwhile, I can hold that about there, and I know the next one's going to be here, and then I can kind of loop the next one over to there, right? Okay, so I can put that up on the uphill side of that. I'm kind of liking right like that. This is going to give it plenty of water. You could put, there's all kinds of different bubblers. You could put a sprayer up. The thing with sprayers is you're going to encourage weed growth everywhere. So be prepared for that. Plus, when you put sprayers, earwigs, and little creepy crawlers like to find those. They have a tendency of finding those areas, and they get plugged up now and again. You're constantly going out there checking on that, you know. Okay, I can hold the next one up, and I know I'm going to keep it on the uphill side because I know the water, once the water hits there, it's going to go down. And then I can direct that up that way, so I'm going to hold that, you know, right up in there. Cut it off right there. I'll let this pipe do a little work for me in angling it the direction that I want. It seems as though it's curled. It's not going to defeat me. No way. By Joe. Okay. Got that set up like that. Now where she stops, nobody knows. Okay, let's just keep her going, shall we? You're getting the idea with this. Yeah, Joe, come on. Yeah, I know how to do it now. Okay, well, maybe you didn't know how to do it before. I'm just showing you how easy this can be. Okay, so this one, I'm just gonna go up around like that. Okay. I'll hold that there. Let the angle do the dangle for me. I'm gonna put it right there. You hire a landscaper, he's gonna charge you lots of money to do this. When you can do it yourself even. You know, you didn't know you could. Because the existing line was already in, you weren't sure how to get the water on, you weren't sure how to tap into it and all that. But guess what? Now you know, don't you? Okay. See? You see the pattern here? There's a drip for there, here's one for here, here's one for here, here's one. I'm going to put a rock down on that, whatever. Now I'm going to loop that. That's going to be about there. And so the next one's going to be right up in there. I got plenty of these. I ended up getting 25. I thought I was going to have plenty, but I'm using quite a few, aren't I? That's all right. Got $8, $9 for 25 of the inline ones. Okay, that's going to be about there. And let's take this one over to here, shall we? I think we'll loop this next one this way, and then I'm going to get this over there as well. Okay. Almost done. All right, this was kind of a little project in itself, getting all this done, and I'm getting it done before dark. Not messing around, let me tell you. Okay, have that right there. And look at that. Looks like I planned out this job just about right. I hardly have any pipe left. I was hoping not to have to go to the store and get any more. Okay, so now I can hold that like that, and this one I'm gonna dig and put it into the ground so no one can see it. You know, so I can kind of loop it up there and maybe put one right about there. Did you hear that? It was a little hummingbird that came over here. Oh, my mom's she just put a hummingbird feeder in. And there's one feeding off of it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not. It's right over there. There he is. There he is. We made a mixture. It was 2 to 1. 2 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. And then we boiled some water and then put the sugar in there, and that was the mixture. Some people go 3 to 1. Actually, I don't know. We might have done 3 to 1. You can go 2 to 1 too. Isn't that awesome? Well, we weren't quite sure if he was going to find that, but there's hummingbirds all over the place, and we didn't see any for 3 or 4 days. This is right outside my mom's window in her little study area, and she can look out there and see the little hummingbirds. How cute. All right, let's get back to it. A few more. Just angle that. I'm gonna go right about like that. I'll dig this into the ground and cover that up, because last thing we want is to see those pipes for right now, because then we're going to end up putting bark in here and covering all this. And when you put the bark, you got to be careful where the drippers are and just kind of lift them up a little bit and stuff. It's pretty easy to do. Okay, so that's going to go up that way. I think I'll just do it like that. Push and twist. Yeah. Okay. And then just, if that's in the wrong direction, just take it and twist it some more. Because see, I wouldn't want to put it in like that, would I? I just twist it some more. And it's kind of been working out that I had these curves in the pipe, huh? Almost like I planned it that way. Because if they were straight, you could still figure it out. You know, it'll be fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to kind of decide what to do here. Do I just want one? I think I could just put one right here. And I'll use the 2-gallon one for the end, and that'll be right there. That should give this area plenty. Okay, so I'm going to hold that up there, about to there. And I'll have a little bit of pipe left for my next repair. But I'll need to make sure to go back to the store and get some more of that pipe. You never want to be without that. In case you need it, in case you decide to put in some more plants or a tree or whatever, you can tap it in without going to the store again. Okay, like that. And I want this facing that direction, so I'm just going to take that and twist it that direction, like that. Yeah. Almost looks like I knew what I was doing, huh? Something like that. You probably want to see if it works, don't you? I'm going to take a rock, I guess, and kind of straighten that one pipe down, and then we'll turn the water on. All right, I'll show this for you. Let's see what I'm going to do here. Here's my first bubbler right there. I want to make sure that doesn't get in the dirt. I can put a little bit of dirt right there to kind of keep that down. Okay. See, if I had a little pin, I could pin it, you know, but I don't, do I? I could do that for right now. Okay, that's looking pretty good. This little area, I'm going to cover up like I was saying. That. Keep the dirt back away from this concrete edge a little bit for your bark, if you do have bark. If you don't have any bark, yeah, you could bring it up closer. I'm going to keep it down just a little. I know we're going to put bark in soon. Okay. I'm kind of liking that. So we'll turn the water on, shall we? See how it works.